Okay, I'll teach you how to proper way for running a full system scan with reputable antivirus and anti-malware. Okay, first of all, you can go to your search bar, then type Windows Security. Then click, then wait for a minute, then you can see and find this virus and threat protection. Click this, then you can click quick scan and wait for a few minutes. By doing this, it could save you a lot of time and at last it finish. So after a quick scan, there will be a notif that show you and say it Microsoft Defender antivirus scan your device, then no new threats were found. Okay, and that will be all. Thank you.